Hello. Yeah, seriously, this is my third attempt to make a blog in cooking of Matar Paneer. Actually, I want to show how to make Matar Paneer in my own style, but this is my third attempt. But still, I can't adjust my camera, so like now it become like this. Do anything. I'm going to cook like this only. I'll show you like this only. So first, I'll peel all the मटर देन उसके बाद give me a second, I'll show you the मटर. Actually, I want to learn blogging. Okay, suddenly I want to become YouTuber. So I started making randoms video here, there, and I have so many video which like, see, I started for cooking only. Okay, मैंने cooking के लिए बनाना शुरू कर दिया. Then क्या हो गया, blogging आया नहीं, फिर phone आ जाते या if anyone who can suggest me how to blog, then please do mail me and teach me how to make a blog and what is required to have. Like I don't have any tripod and all also na, and there's no one to help me. And मेरे घर पे दो दो चुड़ैल के बच्चे हैं. पहली नजर में ऐसा जादू कर दिया. तू नज्म नज्म था मेरे जुल्फों में आंखें जादू और गई. This is my new hair bands, hair clips, not hair bands. तू खाब खाब था मेरी आँखों में जादू, इश्क इश्क था मेरे होठों पे आके रुक जा. तेरे दिल के लिफाफे में तेरा खत है जानिया. Baby, I love you. Baby. Done, yeah. This much mutton I'm going to take. There, where is my chopper board? I'll keep it here. Then I'm going to chop the paneer. As you can see, see, I'll tell you, I'm having one habit. Okay, if I touch anything, na, I'll do it like this. So I have a towel too. Also, I'll keep it here. If I need, I will use my towel. Now I'll finish cutting the paneer. Yeah, it's very difficult to make a vlog. Yeah, seriously, मुझे लगा कि like okay. So जब खुद try किया तो लग रहा है it's very difficult to make a vlog. But still, cooking. We have to do cooking. So क्या मैं ही खाना बना के खाती हूँ, कोई आके खाना बना के खिलाता नहीं है मुझे, कोई खाते भी नहीं है. सो आई डोंट लाइक बाहर का खाना. मुझे बाहर का खाना बिल्कुल भी उतना पसंद नहीं है. सो मैं क्या करती हूँ, इफ़ आई गो टू वर्क, इफ़ आई गो टू ऑफिस, आई कम होम, घर आके खाना बना के खा लेती हूँ. So this is the first time I'm cooking paneer. Not first time, second time. So I'll show you how to cook paneer in my own style. Done. See. Keep it here. I'll cut the you don't need to chop it small and all because जब ये कढ़ाई पे चले जाएंगे it will become smooth. So why to waste the energy in cutting small pieces? Yeah. See, this is my way of cutting tomato. तू नस नस में सामे गए हाथ थाम ले पिया. Now I'm going to wash. Washing is done. निकाल लेते एक प्लेट पे. Done. I'm going to chop one onion. Done. So now the ingredients are ready. You can see my paneer. You can see my sabji, the tomato, butter and onion. Let's go to the induction. Just let me keep this karai and come. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cook in some different style which I never tried before. ये मैंने कभी पहले try नहीं किया. I'll put some with salt. I'll put some salt in paneer. See. Done. I'll put some haldi. Abe, come out. Just spring some. Done. I'm going to put some chili to mix it. Done. It's like usually when I show in like देखा ना कि in one second. Actually, this like haldi, namak and mirchi डालना I have seen in YouTube, so I am trying this for the first time. पता नहीं कैसे होगा. Just let me know. So now तेल डाल दिया. Now what I'll do? Keep my camera here. As you can see my karai. Now I'm going to put this one. I have this spatula, so actually now what I'm going to do is I'm a little bit scared of oil. Turn this on. Done. डाल दिया. So एक्चुअली what happen ना, जब भी हम ऐसा कुछ डालते हैं तो उनका जो ऑयल होता है बहुत आता है. So I'm very scared of this. And this is the first time I'm cooking like online. Means I'm making my cooking videos. I'm a little bit nervous also. I'll show my friends. दिस इज द इजी वे. इससे क्या होता है, आपको ऑयल लगेगा नहीं हाथों पे. ट्राई दिस एट होम. You can try this technique. This is my personal technique. Seriously, every time. I'm very scared. Yes, that's a pulsu. It's a very hard thing. Oh fuck. So finally, the paneer is cooked. And you can see the paneer is cooked. As you can see, I'm going to put it here. Now I on it. Then I got my vegetables. I'm going to put some oil, little bit. थोड़ा सा तेल डाल दिया मैंने थोड़ा सा तेल डाल दिया. Then now I'm going to put onion. Onion डाला. Then I have to put tomato. Next I'm going to put the mutton. See, as soon as you put onion, put some ginger garlic paste. Done. Now कुछ चलाओ. Put the tomato. It's very funny to make a video while cooking, yeah, seriously. So now let it cook for a while. I'm so tired, yeah. See, first the easy method में बता रही हूँ. ऑयल गरम करो, उसके बाद put some onion, then put the ginger garlic paste, then you can put directly the tomato and the मटर. Then you have to fry for 2 to 3 minutes. पानी डाल दो, पनीर डाल दो, नमक डाल दो, खत्म. Easy way. But like see, बोलने पे it's very easy, okay. When I do personally, it's very tough job. And I'm very scared of this हाथ पे लग जाने वाला, so I tie all those things. Now let me check the, you can see. So now it will take time. I'll keep my camera here, same like before, and I'll tie my hand. Now I'm going to put my mustard. And you can see now how it is like. Let it for some time like this. I'm tired, yeah, seriously. I'll on the TV. Actually, you know, one more thing is there. I don't know how to edit the video right now. मुझे edit करना पता ही नहीं है, because like मैंने कभी vlogging किया नहीं है. 2 या 3 टाइम attempt हो चुका है, and this is the 3rd या 4th time attempt. तो देखते हैं कैसे बनते हैं. Then I tell you very honestly, the honest reply. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to put some water, okay, otherwise almost then पानी डाल दिया. Now is the time for masala. I have to put some masalas. I'll fix my phone here. This masala is some sabzi masala. Actually I take less masala, so I'll use this much. This is the dhania. You can see. And this may be garam masala. Okay. Let it boil once, then I'll put salt and paneer. Till then, let's go here in my drawing room. We'll on the fan. It's very tiring to like cook whole day. Yeah. For me, too, it's like a very challenging task. See my hair, it becomes split in here. I have to cut my hair. I'm tired of cooking. Let me do some yoga. Sam is outside home, so when he comes, he'll start laughing at me. Yeah, seriously. Actually, what happens? There are so many of my friends who are scared of eating my food. Okay, but still, yeah, I like cooking. I'm thinking to join a cooking classes also. I'm tired. Once I finish my cooking, that one, I'll make pictures. I'll end the like video here. Bye.